Hey yo, what's up everyone? So, hey, this is a second video after I work. I had to make the first video, to get silence. So today, shout out for this ASMR. Shout out to this ASMR content. So I'm just gonna share some things, and I might learn from you guys as well. So here we go. So this ASMR will be just I think just 7 minutes. So it is not quite gonna go longer. So we are just talking about my it is yeah, that's right. So I'm just gonna talking about my skincare thing. So when I saw these comments, I don't think I can make SMR video for this, because first of all, I'm just gonna, back to the past as a kid, so that's right. So when my best friend, advised me to go get some, facial skincare, like the master sachet, like that will cleanse your face like that. I think it's kinda escanol, and I think it is I don't think, I'm not sure actually. So I don't think it is some kind of for oily base for acne like that, So I don't have any details about the skincare, That's why when he introduced that skincare, the master, it is to he say that it is to skincare. It is good thing, it is I think I'm not sure if he said that will yes, it is to avoid any pollution that will cause harm to your face, that will not avoid any harm that that does. I'm sorry. So that's what they say, and that's what I thought. The when you go outside, there pollution, that is dirty dust that come into your face. The way you touch your face, the way you touch anything, that will that will point out to your face when you touch your face. After that, so it's gonna grow some acne, like a dirty spots, like that. So when you use that, I think yeah, it is effective, I think. But usually many people I think it is they are not using that as well. Everyone has a different, different products that you've been using to their faces. So I'm not convinced to use that as well, because that was when I was I think grade 5. Yeah. So I've only washed my face with water, like that, and with Safeguard, the soap, like that. Especially the Safeguard Pink. And since then, that was when I was a child. Syempre, we are touching too many stuff, things, handles, going out like that. And I kinda avoid touching my face usually. So like since then, I don't actually put something in my face besides some pulpo, the powder for the face to I know, yeah, the pulpo, the Toki power base is light, clean, presentable like that. That is what I'm using to my face. But when talking about the skin care routine, yeah, I don't usually put something on my face. I tried to put some Escanol, like the liquid powder, transparent, the Escanol. And when I put it in the cotton, my face like this, I just tried it. Yeah, it's kind of refreshing feel, But that was a time when I was, grade, grade, grade 7, I think. So that just once when I put it in my face. So I'm still going outside when I go biking, biking, playing games outside, like some touching on the ground, running like that. And I usually put my hands to my face after that, and it irritates my face also, so I kind of pick up some dirty dust through my face. And I always bring my, towel like that. So that's what the time when he introduced the master is some skincare like that, aloe vera, some stuff that when you drop to your face like that. Yeah, I don't usually put something, but I think it is part of skincare is the blackheads. So my blackheads is always on the nose and whiteheads as well. So I'm only just putting some blackheads on this nose. I mean this nose. On my nose only, not my face. So that's why. And so I think you guys are more expert when it comes to skincare than, and when I'm also hearing that word from my classmates, friends, best friends, and asking when they ask me, hey Paul, what type of skincare are you using when you have that's some clean face like that, and you don't have any acne like that? And I say that I don't usually put something on my face, As today, as you can see, everyone, I'm already happy. So this is a acne pimple. This is the marks of the pimple here as well. I think more on it in the forehead. So when I get those acnes, when I'm not putting something on my face, I usually get that when I was when I'm slacking up and slacking up at night, not sleeping at the right time. I'm awake at 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. like that, and when my pillowcase is been dirty already like that, and when I'm cleaning, I think when it is so it's so dusty like that, and yeah, when I'm cleaning as well, I'm forgetting about not touching my face like that. So, and when like that. So when I'm sweaty as well, I'm sweat a lot, right now, it's hot. And I think it may bounce as well when I not properly wash my hair like that. So yeah, and I think that's it. So my skincare routine is more likely face wash, face wash after you wake up, wash your face with soap like that, and when coming from school, wash your face with soap again like that, and when you feel kinda oily or what is it? Yeah, when I'm sweaty, sticky, sticky feel when you're full of sweat like that. So sticky. So I'm face washing my face and before sleep like that, and putting some safeguard or any soap, that I put in my face like that. So that's why many of my friends and my new friends from our OJT intern, our friends, saying that I should put some skincare like the moisturizer like that, and sunscreens like that, and sunscreen, to stay refreshing, stay clean, look neat like that, and skin oil like that, and yeah, like that. So that's what they saying about. So I'm not familiar as well with some products of skincare. What my family using, my friends using, yeah. So like that, and that's it. That's my skincare routine. So I hope it helps. But so just comments what type of products, skincare routine that you've been using to your face like that, and so I can and everyone can see what type of products you are using, so it can helps others as well. So but I think I'm just gonna keep my paste things, just face wash your face with some soap water like that, and I do this as well, the ice sliding into your face like that. Yeah, I do that as well. So I think it's been months since I done that, and that's it. That is about my skincare routine. So I hope you guys learn something about me. So it's getting to know ASMR, and so hope you guys enjoy, and you and everyone, and shout out again for this ASMR content. So relax, take care, stay safe. Let's go.